So in this video, I'll be showing you how to add a pixel to an ad account. In your own case, you might be experiencing this issue whereby you're trying to run a campaign and you discover you can't find your pixel. So you want to make sure you've selected the right ad account here, the ad account you want to use to run the campaign. So you select it. In this case, I'm using this particular ad account. So let me show you the way it's going to look like. So let's say you're trying to run a sales campaign, particularly the kind of campaign where you'll be able to use a pixel. So let me go to sales, continue. So say you're trying to run a sales conversions campaign, and at the ad set level, you are not able to find your pixel. So this is the campaign level. I'm actually not going to talk much about all these things. So I'm only going to show you how to add your pixel to your ad account. So let's go to the ad set level like this. So provided you've created your pixel already, of course, that is very, very important. So you have to make sure you have created your pixel. So let's say this is the ad account. And another thing, you have to make sure you've selected the right ad accounts. So you're setting up your campaign this way, and at the ad set level, you discover here that you can't find the particular pixel you just created. In this case, I have a pixel already, but I'm going to add another pixel to this ad account, to the ad account I'm using to run this campaign now, for you guys to see. So let's say in your own case now, you can't find this pixel here. What's happening is you've not added the pixel to the ad account, and you have to do that. So I want to believe you've created the pixel, you've done everything necessary, you've created your events, you fired your event, and everything is set only for you to start running the campaign. So now what you want to do is you go back to your business settings. Let me go back to here. Now go to business settings, open a new tab. So once you open your business settings, you go to the data set section where you can find your newly created pixel. So in your case, you might find it under pixel and you might find it under data sets. So once this page loads up like this, you want to scroll down, go to data source, then check for pixels first. So if you're able to find it here, then you work with it. But the pixel I want to use in this tutorial is within the ad sets section here. So you can either find the pixel within the pixel subsection or sub menu, or you can find it within the data set sub menu. So in this case, I'm working with this particular pixel. So I just created this pixel. So in your own case, make sure you are able to find the particular pixel you want to use to track events. So now you select it like this. So once you're able to select the particular pixel, then the first thing you want to do here is to assign this pixel. In your own case, let's say you've just created your pixel. The first thing you want to do is to assign the pixel to people or to a person. So how do you do that? You add people from here. So it's nothing you should worry about. Once you click on add people, you should see, in your own case, this place might be empty. And in your own case, the person might have been added already, which is your Facebook profile account. As you can see here, these are Facebook profile accounts. So you have to add a Facebook profile account to the pixel for you to be able to use it. Now in your own case, you might find this already added, and if not, you want to click on add people. Once you click on add people, you should find your Facebook account, your Facebook profile account, not business manager account. You should find your Facebook profile account here. Then what do you want to do? You can either click on check all like this, or you select the particular person you want to add. You understand? But in this case, let's just click on check all. So once you click on check all like this, then you grant full control. This is full access to the pixel. So all these Facebook accounts will be able to manage the pixel. So once you've toggled on this switch, then you want to do what? You want to assign. Just click on assign this way. Although I've already assigned mine, but just to show you guys, then click on done. Now you've been able to add people to it, or a person, whichever case it is. Now the next thing you want to do is to add this pixel to an ad account. Now how do you do that? You want to add an asset. All these things are called assets. Now you come to the add, you can check for connected assets first. As you can see, no connected assets here. You can find no assets here. Now what do you want to do? You want to add an asset. And which assets are we adding? Ad accounts, the particular ad account I want to run the campaign with. Like I showed you the other time. Let me see. As I showed you the other time, you can see this ad account. This is the ad account I'm running the campaign with. Now let's go back to where we were working. As you can see, this is the ad account. Now let me take you back to the ads manager. Now you can see this pixel is not here. You can only, the pixel I'm working with, which is this pixel. Let me go back. This pixel is not there. You can only see this Olusola Daniel pixel. You can't find this one there. Let me show you again, because I want you to get everything in total. Where is it? As you can see it, we can only find just a pixel, Olusola Daniel pixel. The other pixel is not there. Now in your own case, you might not even be seeing any pixel here, because I already have a pixel existing. So this is why we are able to see this pixel. Let's say I don't have any pixel, then we are not going to see any pixel. Now I'm adding the other pixel, which is the capital lettered pixel that I created, which is this one. Now what you want to do is you add assets, which is the ad accounts. Click on add assets, then you click on this ad account like this. If you have other ad accounts you want this pixel to reflect on, then you select them this way. But in this case, I'm working with this particular ad account, so I'm selecting one. In your own case, you might have more than one ad account, like I said earlier. Then click on it. Then what you want to do next is to add this way. As you can see, one ad account has been added to the data set pixel. Click on done this way. As you can see, this is it here. So you've added an ad account to this pixel, or you've added this pixel to an ad account. They've both been paired now. So if you want to use this ad account to run any campaign, you can definitely find this pixel to track events. As you can see, now let's go back to the ads manager. So this is the ads manager here. As you can see, we can only see Olusola Daniel pixel. Now I'll be refreshing the page to be sure that the settings have taken effect. So guys, we are back. So now let's scroll down and see. So this is the pixel section. Now let's click on it. As you can see, this is the pixel here. So the pixel has been added to this ad account. So henceforth, you can start using this pixel to track events for your sales conversions campaign. So what you want to do is just select the pixel. Then you can go ahead with whatever it is you want to do. So that's just the way to add your pixel to an ad account. That's basically it. So guys, with that, I've come to the end of this short video. I remain Olusola Daniel. Make sure you're always having a great time.